Y'all, 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 y'all. Look what came in the mail today. Yes. Hey y'all, Alyse here from Playing with Alyse. Welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, today we are doing the Erin Condren Winter Surprise Box unboxing. I am so excited. I didn't expect it to get here this soon, but I'm happy that it did. And disregard this, I'm just covering up my address. But I'm not gonna hold y'all. Let's get right into opening this box. I got my handy dandy box cutter. My husband called this an X-Acto knife. I was like, this is not an X-Acto knife. All right, and so I'm opening it up. And it comes like this. Trying to get a thumbnail. And it says, good things are coming. Keep believing on the top of the box. It has this little pink tissue covering it up. And a little postcard that says 2019 Winter Seasonal Surprise Box is here. The box theme is 2019 Reflections and 2020 Intentions. And there's a picture of Erin, Miss Condren. And then on the end, well, on the back, it shows everything that's in there. I look too long. I want to be surprised. And here we have it. Ooh, it's a petite planner set. Oh my God. Okay, one thing at a time. First, we have the weekly intentions and goals petite planner. I love this print. That is beautiful. I love it. And it has gold. Let me calm down. Then we have a petite planner journal. This is part of the focus line, I think. Whenever I see these colors from Erin Condren, I just automatically think of the focus line. It's not actually. And it is 5mm dot grid and page numbered. That's cool. It has 80 dot grid pages. I'm gonna use the mess out of it. And again, I love these colors. It comes with a gray thank you card, something like pink corally thank you card. Well, the pink one says always in my heart, and the gray one says thank you. And then it has a little sticker sheet. I believe these are stickers. Let me open it up. Get out. All right, yes. I didn't see any like cuts on the thing, but these are in fact stickers, and it is almost like vellum paper that it's on, but it's pretty cool. I'm in love with these snowflakes. I was hoping, I'm not gonna lie, I was hoping that the snowflake interchangeable cover was in here, but I can already see the cover down here and it's not that, but I'm not gonna tell y'all what it is just yet. Then you have some of these stickers, little functional ones. And we have the 2020 folio. Ooh, the on-the-go folio. It's beautiful. I was actually gonna get this cover, well, I'm still getting it, this cover for my budget planner for 2020. So now I have the matching on-the-go folio. And here is the cover that's inside. It's beautiful. It's basically the black and gold version of this petite planner. And I love that too. It's all about black and gold for 2020 because it's like the roaring 20s, Great Gatsby style. You need everything black and gold. But this is what I freaked out about earlier, and I was like, oh my God. Y'all, look at this pen. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's a ballpoint pen, it says, and it's beautiful, and I love it. And I'm probably not gonna actually write with it and just stare at it. Let's take it out the package. Ooh, and it's like literally just glitter stuck to the pen barrel. Can you see that? And then the accents are rose gold on it. And let's see what color ink it is. Do I have some unimportant paper sitting around anywhere? Let's try on my notebook. It's black ink. And if you hear a dog barking in the background, that's just my dog that's about to be rehomed. Disregard him. But that is everything from the box down to the bones. But I love this. I love this cover. I'm just going through everything again. This pen, beautiful. Weekly Intentions in Gold Petite Planner. The Dot Grid Journal. The 2020 On The Go Folio. These stickers. These stickers. Thank you card. And always in my heart. And I believe that was everything. Yes, it was. But this was just a quick unboxing showing y'all what came in the winter surprise box from Erin Condren. If y'all ordered one, I hope you liked what was inside. And if you did not, I would suggest buying it because there's some pretty nice stuff. And just this folio, this On The Go folio by itself is $20. These planners are, I think this one might be $8 for the Dot Grid Journal, but like this is $14. So that's already $34. And then possibly another $14 or $8. I know this pen hidden. I don't know how much it retails for, but I know it's hidden. And then of course, since this is foiled, this is probably what, $13? No, it's $8 for regularly, and I think it's like $12 or $13 if it's foiled. Don't give me the line. I just know it's great value in this box, and if you are interested in any of that stuff, definitely get this box because usually you can't get it outside the box. And if you live in a store that has Erin Condren in that, if you live in a city that has Erin Condren stores there, go to the actual store and you can pick up a box in store. Probably not right now, but eventually later on in the month, and definitely next month, you can pick them up in store. You don't even have to wait on them to get shipped to you. That's a quick tip. And yeah, if you're interested in purchasing this, I will have a link down below in my description box where you can either get $10 off your first order if you haven't ordered from Erin Condren before with your email, or you can just shop regularly if you already have an account. But the link will be in my description box directly to the surprise box. That's gonna be all for me today. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye y'all.